there are certain things that happen in cycles. If we can plan for those cycles and we can automatically budget time for those cycles and we can build those cycles into our rhythm, then it's easy to stay in rhythm. If we don't budget time for things that need to happen on a routine basis, then what happens is we ignore those things, and like a garden, they become weeds that grow, and then they overtake the garden, and then chaos ensues. So we figured out, if we can just understand our rhythms and plan for the rhythms and budget for the rhythms, everything gets easier. So the first rhythms are the daily rhythms. These are the daily rhythms, things that we go, if I do these things every day, if I budget time every day for these things, life seems to work out good. So for us, read the Bible. Must happen. First thing I do before any other input comes into my mind, I read the Bible. Second is my workout, my 10-minute workout. Third is I take vitamins. Fourth, I got to sleep at least 7 hours out of every day, right? If I don't get at least 7 hours, things start to compound negatively. And then I stay away from the bads. This is a system I invented. You know, I love an acronym. BADS, the bads. You want to know Rory's my personal fitness program, my personal fitness regimen? I can tell you it's the simplest thing that I've done for years. So I get a point every day for taking my vitamins. I get 1 point every day for sleeping at least 7 hours. And then I get a point every day for exercising at least 10 minutes, even if it's just a 10-minute walk. Okay. So I get 3 points from those behaviors: sleeping, vitamins, and exercise. I can get 3 points a day. And then I get 4 points for my diet, but my diet points I earn by avoiding the bads, BADS, acronym that I invented in my post-college years that has stuck with me, and I think about it almost every day. The B stands for bread and breads. So breads are anything that is, think carbs, think bread, think chips, anything that is like simple carbs, like, not like apples and stuff. Like if you eat fruit, not like, I don't avoid carbs, but I'm trying to avoid like simple carbohydrates, right? So this is basically it's chips and bread. Like for the most part, that's what it comes down to. The A is alcohol. The A is alcohol. I get a point for not drinking. Now, for years, I never got that point. I got that point, but like not in a week. Like I would never have a perfect score in a week, but there would be, many weeks where I would drink 3, 4, 5 nights a week. I stopped drinking the night AJ told me that we were pregnant with Jasper. And so it's been almost 9 years. I've gotten that point for 9 consecutive years. And part of it was the point system. And it was just like, all right, I get that point. D, the D is for dairy, which is controversial, but like ice cream specifically, it's like ice cream and cheese is pretty much what it comes down to. I do eat eggs a lot, so I don't count that, but it's like pretty much ice cream and cheese. And then the S is sugar. The S is sugar, like artificial, anything with, it's cupcakes and it's cookies. And that's the point I most often to this day do not get. I'm still struggling to shake that one, but I can get 7 points a day. And if I get 7 points a day, I can get up to 49 points in a week. And and I never have to work out more than 10 minutes. And, I'm not going to run marathon. I'm not going to win any fitness competition, but like, that's my system for minimum acceptable standards and how I've managed to stay pretty healthy. And there was a time, where I was 45 pounds heavier than I am right now. I mean, I did that for a lot of years. And then this is what I figured out. So anyways, these are my daily rhythms. I also review my UP, which is the Ultra Performance Plan. By the way, an Ultra Performance Plan is the output of the Conquering Impossible Goals course. If you go through the Conquering Impossible Goals course in its entirety and you complete all the exercise, what you create is something called the Ultra Performance Plan. Part of what's included in that is affirmations. I do affirmations every day. I do personal development every day. I make one social media post every day, at least one. Respond to my social comments. I respond to at least a few of them every day. Tell my family I love them. Anyways, you can read that, right? So that is daily rhythms.